everybody. Today, Grade 5 will be conducting an assembly on our first overnight field trip to Yercaud. We hope you enjoy.
You seem to be lost in your own thoughts, Sunaina.
I am lost, Mom. I would have liked to be lost forever in my memories.
Which memories?
The memories of our first outstation field trip to Yercaud. Our teachers had prepared us for this trip, but nothing, and I mean nothing, can compare to what we actually did.
Really? Tell me about it.
I will do better, Mom. I will show you. Do you remember how excited we all were to reach school at 5 a.m.?
Of course. You were up and ready by 3 a.m. and wanted to leave 2 hours earlier.
Yes. Well, one of the most exciting parts was our bus journey. All of us together in one bus. Do you know that we actually finished most of our tuck and snacks even before the bus turned on to Headnor Road? The bus ride was wonderful. Some of us played cards, some of us talked, some of us slept, and some of us read. By the time we reached there, we were all charged up.
How was Yercaud?
Yercaud was beautiful. Our camp was high up on a hill. And in the middle of a coffee estate. It took us half an hour in a jeep to reach the campsite.
Tell me about your most cherished memories from the trip.
Every morning, our Indian instructors would serve us hot chocolate and gather us around for what they call a power-up.
I do what I do. I do what I do. I say what I say. I say what I say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go.
This power-up sounds like a lot of fun.
It really was. And other thing we loved were the treks. We went on into the countryside. We saw coffee bushes along the estate. We saw pepper climbers. We saw eucalyptus trees. We walked through a fruit orchard and we followed a stream. Do you know, we even carried our own supplies and pitched our own tents?
Your own tents? Wow, that sounds amazing.
Do you know, Mom? We even played lots of games and many, many activities.
From
We played lots of games and many activities, including noodle hockey and invisible maze. But the thing we loved the most was circle time we had with our instructors after the entire day's activities.
Yo, yo, yo. Yo, what's up? Yo, yo, yo. Yo, what's up? Yo, yo, yo. Yo, what's up?
What did you talk about?
A lot of things.
If we help someone, some others will help me when I need it as well.
Sharing luncheons and food with my friend has helped me understand that I
need to be sensitive to others and not only think about myself.
Teamwork is most important. Together we can.
You seem to have learned a lot on this trip. We are so glad we sent you on it.
This album of photographs is something I shall cherish all my life.
We'd like to thank Hasnala for putting this piece together and Sir Mahendra for downloading the music. Thank you.